Good morning, guys. So today we're going on a hike. You know what that means? We got to start with our protein. So I've never drinking this straight out the carton. You know, normal people usually cook it, but oh well.
It is what it is, dude. We got this.
Oh.
It was almost you that did it.
Almost knocked the coffee.
Almost dropped my coffee down.
I'm so nervous. It's gonna be gross.
It's not that bad.
Chug it like a champ. It's not bad at all, guys.
You just don't think about it. Most people think about it too much.
Yeah, honestly, it does. It's not bad at all.
But the actual taste itself, it's like almost doesn't have a flavor.
Alright, guys. We'll see you guys when we make it to the hiking trail.
So we're here, and we need to get to here, Horsetail Falls. Okay, but if we're here, does that mean the trail starts here? I don't know. One step closer.
There's no way this could be the one, though, right?
No, we haven't been walking for a mile.
That's what I was gonna say. Like, we got here in 2 seconds.
You're being silly. Alright, you're being a silly goose. We need to find you a pond and not a river, you silly goose.
Ooh, they're playing in there.
What?
They're playing in the water. Alright, guys, we found our first waterfall. It's on my eyebrow. You gonna jump?
What?
You gonna jump and go for a swim?
Oh no, it's not deep enough. I hurt myself.
I didn't tell you to dive in.
Let's keep trucking because there's better. There's more better stuff.
There's more better stuff. You heard it from Daniel.
Look how clear this water is, guys.
Literally, it looks like you could drink this water.
I see fishies.
Do you see fish?
No. Dude, nice, but look how clear that is.
That's crazy.
You literally see the bottom.
Yeah, you can literally see the bottom. So it almost seems like this entire trail is like surrounded by waterfall.
It does. Oh, just like running water.
Should have left our waters at home, just got a cup.
Right? Been real one with nature.
I told you, we're going to the wilderness. I'm a jungle woman.
The redwood woman.
Redwood woman.
Really don't see any.
I know. I think this is the little one building up to the bigger waterfall, guys.
I'll do it.
Yeah. It's not dry at all, and since it's summer, I thought it would be a little more dry.
We need the pyramid loop trail.
That was actually very smart of you to take a picture of the map. I wouldn't have even thought of that.
You know, I will survive.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Oh, this is we're getting close to the mountain.
I see what they were saying when we looked up that it's a huge mountain you have to climb.
Dude, for real. Maybe I see why that guy was drenched in sweat now.
I'm already getting sweaty. Next time we should bring our walking sticks.
Wow, oh my god.
Be real hikers.
No, none of that.
Walking sticks in a fanny pack.
Yeah, right? And a visor.
Oh no, for sure a visor. When it's winter, do you think there's snow on here? Like, could you snowboard down this?
I wouldn't say you would snowboard, but there's definitely snow here, yeah. But I don't think it's like a snowing place now.
My legs are gonna feel tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure.
It's crazy.
How you feeling?
Feeling a little tired. But I'm motivated to see this waterfall.
Oh, look at the lizard. There he goes.
He's a baby.
What's up, dude?
He's a dude. Oh, hot. Am I sweating? My makeup's probably like dripping.
No, you look good so far.
So far. Yeah, look. You see the waterfall?
Oh, yeah.
I found it, guys. I made it to the waterfall.
Biggest waterfall I've seen in person.
Really? You like this one a lot?
Yeah, this one's cool.
Baby getting them angles low. Uh-huh. Getting them good photos. He's not only good looking, he's a photographer. He's talented too. You get some good pictures?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Okay guys, so I think we found our lunch spot.
Yeah, show them the view. Show them the view.
Absolutely a beautiful view to either.
I feel like the camera doesn't do it justice. It's so see-through. Like, I don't know. It's awesome.
See, but you see that white line? I think we found the actual waterfall. Like, I think we just found like a little baby waterfall. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, you see that? I think that's where we're trying to go. But I don't know how long it's gonna take, because if you look when I zoom out, it's very far away. Better catch up, guys. He's leaving me. Did we not just talk about this in our last video? When Daniel wants to do something, he goes. He's all about just going. Like in Arizona, remember when you just wanted to go and left me at the bottom of that mountain?
Yeah, you're doing better. You're not fighting with me this time.
Still getting left, but not fighting about it.
So we're just having a good time. JK.
Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
I know. Look, I'm so confused. I see people walking up this way, but then I see people over there.
And nobody looks tired.
But I also don't see, like, what way am I supposed to go? I guess you do just find your way.
I mean, like I said, we're in the wilderness, right? Current life update. Not okay.
Right?
I don't know if you guys could tell, but Daniel's entire back is wet right now of sweat.
You know. Your back will be too now that you have the backpack on.
Not even the heat can keep us away from this adventure.
Right?
Wait, another waterfall.
Where?
Right here.
My feet are getting wet.
What?
My feet are getting wet.
Them feet are getting wet.
All right, Aretha. I need the camera.
You need the camera.
Maybe have like a little kid show. It's like a voiceover.
Well, my feet are getting wet too. My feet are getting wet too.
That's why I can't fucking take pictures, dude. You gotta balance, laugh all the time.
Look, he looks like a little frog on his pad.
What? You're my little frog? You call me a frog?
You're my little frog on your lily pad.
Alright. Look at my foot. Soaked.
Here with the waterfall at Extreme Sports. Going off at
She's about to do a front flip dive off the... Oh god.
I was trying to do it for the YouTube, but I almost fell.
For the YouTube.
Do I look cool?
You look sick.
I'm gonna go right there. Do you think I'll fall?
You'll be alright.
You go down so graceful. I'm like straddling the rock.
Watch out, a snake, 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 snake! Watch this, guys. No hands.
No, it's so cool. Look, even up there.
Whoa. Bye.
Guys, we have another discovery. You're right, as we get closer, it gets more beautiful.
Because I know waterfalls cleanse water.
And that's why you can drink out of them?
Yeah. Well, not only waterfalls, running water in general. Depending on where you're at, of course. So.
See, that makes a little more sense to swim right here. Because it's like secluded.
I don't like it. I like it.
Whoa. When I film you right here, you look so beautiful with all the green around you.
I look beautiful.
You look beautiful. but I feel like this would be such a pretty picture with this background.
Well, we can do that on the way back.
Do you see this, guys? He's literally running up the mountain. I don't know why he thinks we're racing. I don't know why he's running. I'm gonna try too, guys.
Come on. Come on.
Wow, I almost fell.
Come on, bro.
I'm so hot. He says we're almost there, but he said we were almost there like 20 minutes ago. Don't get me wrong, I am enjoying myself, but it is really, really hot, and these hills are really, really steep. Okay.
There she is.
Where are you? I can't even see him in the frame because he's so far away. Okay. We got this, guys. No, we're hiking together, me and our little family. We're in this together, guys. Miss Daniel left me.
No, I'm here. I'm waiting.
We got each other.
For like 5 minutes at a time. Hi.
But I don't see you.
Oh. There I am. Okay. Balance, focus.
Daniel is convinced that this is the way, but I don't think it is, because why would we have to walk through the water to go on our hike?
There's not even really water. You got a bunch of sticks.
Water. Water. No, but I'm pretty sure there's a whole mountain over there. Why would we climb in the water? This is not the way you go.
I'm already out of the water.
And then where do you climb from there?
Keep going. There's just a little puddle. That tree is literally about to fall. There's the water shooting over it. I don't think they can see it.
But I see it. That's crazy. This rock is huge. Like, look at Daniel. Rock. It's Daniel's on a regular rock, and then there's this big rock called Rocky Mountain, because the rock is as big as the mountain.
We're almost there.
You see it?
Yeah.
Hear that, guys? We're almost there. Remember how far it was a while ago?
I can see you look up.
I do, I see it. I don't think you guys can see it.
Not yet.
But we're almost there. We made it, guys!
I'm going swimming.
He is, he's going in. Here he goes, guys. Is it cold? Oh my, you're jumping? Oh God. So nervous, you think it's deep enough? Woo!
That's so cool.
Was it worth it?
Hell yeah.
I saw you had friends cheering you on. You going back?
I'm thinking about it. You ready?
I'm so scared.
I'm going in first, don't you worry. Look how clear this water is, guys.
Oh my God, it's so cool.
I know.
Oh, it's literally so cool. Don't pull me in. Don't pull me.
No, I'm gonna let you take your time.
It's cool, guys. But this is what life's about, experiencing new things.
Yeah, dude. This is sick. Oh, do it. Go under.
You really done me to?
Yeah, there you go. Go. Go.
Ah, hit my butt on the rock! Guys, I'm baptized! Oh no, and I have a broken butt. Dude, my eyes are burning.
I told you.
Please be careful. It's gonna pull you. No, you're going down if you go there. Don't do it. Did it feel like the current was gonna take you?
Huh?
Did it feel like the current was gonna pull you down?
I know, right? Hold my wrist a little bit.
I saw you swim. I didn't get it on camera, but I saw you.
There you go.